Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike nisubscribe bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs ishaye Orlando Pirates laphana ku-DDC team match. Igame ke bayidominate igame laphana first half abafana beKaizer Chiefs, angifuni ukuqamba amanga but khona umfana ongimpressile bafethu ulokhunjana uKamohelo Malifo we-Kaizer Chiefs. Khona le bhola lishaye akude bafethu, i-powerful shot. Orlando Pirates goalkeeper wakwazi ukulisave lela bhola lela. A good performance from iKaizer Chiefs, but second half ungena Naledi Hlongwane umfana laphana une-first team contract. Ukwazile futhi ukungena ureplace uMendes, wakwazi ukushaya igoli laphana immediately mengena. Good positioning, uyakwazi ukurana, uyakwazi ukuhold ibhola alinike lese laphana abantu abasemasayidini or abadlalisa ama-midfielders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Nayi into ebulala ama-player-ke bafethu, khona umdlalo we-Kaizer Chiefs uSifiso uTimba mawulifunda but bathi uTimba, I don't understand ukuthi why balipronounce kanje. Ekugcineni imatch seyophela 92 minutes baxasha, sekayalwa nama-player we-Orlando Pirates and akalaleli umuntu okhona, bayazama ukumstop ukuthi mfethu ungalwi kanje. I can't remember ukuthi kwenzakaleni kahle kahle lapha but uvele walwa, akalaleli nama-coach wakhe kuze kwafika abantu from the bench ufuna ukulwa yena. Izinto ezincane-ke ezenza ukuthi abantu bakhohlwe nanokuthi bangakuthathi serious. Umncane but ufuna ukumosha igame yaku-DDC team ngathi kudlalelwe 8 million, kanti no-DDC baninike i-opportunity ukuthi nizibonakalise laphana but-ke uSifiso uyalwa. And the saddest thing, uSifiso une-experience kakhulu kunama-player amaningi. Mina ubuya ku-World Cup lo muntu lo, manje ubuya ku-World Cup but i-behavior yakhe ubehave ngathi udlala elokishini. Akusise elokishini lapha bafethu, baningi abantu ababukele kuleya game leya but impressive performance from the Kaizer Chiefs. First half dominated the game bafethu, they were comfortable, they created opportunities. Even in the second half you could see that they are stable. They had a point to prove laphana against the Orlando Pirates ukuthi bababonise ukuthi ba ama-champions wase-South Africa. Njengoba baprepare ukuyalena phesheya-ke bafethu e-UK bodlala ne-Manchester United, ne-QPR, ne-Leeds United. Captain e-Kaizer Chiefs ulona uThulani Touch Mabaso, was stable laphana as a midfielder, ugood kakhulu. Ngimbonile, what I liked about uThulane bafethu, he was able even to control uSifiso, amthethise laphana, menza lento yakuthi ufuna ukulwa. Khona elinye iplayer important ekumele silimention nalo line-first team contract laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uKabelo Nkwesa bafethu. Kabelo Nkwesa wale player laphana ku-left back bafethu. I'm not sure if ready ukuthi bam-elevate noma lapha bambize laphana ku-first team but-ke I think he might be ready. It can only be tested ngempela uma bangamnika amanye ama-matches amanye lese bamnika ama-opportunities kancane ukuthi adlale laphana ku-first team 10 minutes. What a superstar player. Khona into ayifakayo njalo kwa-left ukuthi ucelebrate ubabakhe ukuthi RIP dad, njalo ufakayo leyo nto leyo. But an emotional game obvious for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngibonile aboManqoba, Ozomena, they were super excited ukuthi bakwazi ukushaya i-Orlando Pirates. I also saw ekugcineni laphana uTimba, ayithi ngingakhulumi ngayo, I think the less ngikhuluma ngayo the better bafethu, cause ayisizi ngempela. No-coach laphana ubani, uSimons or ubani umntana kaJessica Mdawung oyi-coach laphana, is it under 15 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs or seka-involved naku-DDC team. But yeah, uyabona ukuthi i-evolution of i-Kaizer Chiefs nayo involve ku-evolution. Good performance from abafana bafethu, they show aggression. Lama-draw wabo lawo bebawathola maningi, kusho ukuthi it was just nje element of ukuthi bangabi nenhlanhla, bebadinga inhlanhla laphana but they were able to beat Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates yenza kahle kakhulu laphana ku-DDC team but bakwazile ukuyishaya. Welcome back uNaledi Hlongwane, already njengoba abuyile sekora amagoli awu-2, they really missed him. Bebamkhumbulile ngempela njengoba bekadila nama-injuries umfana, cause uNaledi Hlongwane, uThulani Touch Mabaso, uNkwesa badlale kahle kakhulu. uNaledi sibonile ukuthi ungene second half laba abanye, and sikhumbule ukuthi bamonitor i-first team ngoba bane-first team contract. uNaledi Hlongwane ngo-74 minutes, uMalefo ngo-52 minutes laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Amagoli wonke angene second half. First half they could have scored but it was not meant to be. Orlando Pirates, they've really tried second half ukuthi beze laphana kubo but it was not meant to be for amabhakani. Abakorile Orlando Pirates laphana but they scored from an onside, no, an offside position, so it was judged ukuthi it was offside. But yeah, amakhosi they can build from lento lena, le win lena. I think le match le ibaluleke kakhulu njengoba bengishilo ukuthi baya laphana e-UK bafethu, so they can build the momentum. By the time badla no Manchester United, they come from i-win. I mean, structure ze-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ku-DDC team si-powerful. Close to i-professional yabo, kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi bayamisele, bayabona ukuthi these are future stars. I-man of the match of the game bafowethu kuba umfana laphana uLichate ukhulumile naye ukuthi bekungekho lula ukudlala ne-Orlando Pirates ngoba ama-log leaders, then also wamenshina ukuthi indaba ye-weather obviously bekungase ama-conditions a-right, i-weather beyingekho right, but-ke uthi bona as ama-champion they had to go out there and show ukuthi ba ama-champions. And then mayebuzwa nge-UK uthi-ke because baya-travela baye-UK, uthi hayi abazali bakhe bajabule kakhulu ukuthi bazohamba bayelena e-UK noma bazondiza. Uthi umfana okokuqala laphana ahamba esuka la e-South Africa or aya away, so uthi bawo-represent ibheji le-Kaizer Chiefs, bafuna ukurepresenta ne-South Africa ukuthi benze u-chairman we-Kaizer Chiefs abe proud or umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs abe proud. So amagama strong for umfana, uyasho ukuthi hayi bazozama ukubuya nayo kushawo uManchester United babuye nale cup leli lalaphana phesheya. So i-confidence uyayibona ukuthi ikhona ebafaneni. Uyasho ukuthi uthi ukhulume ngayiphi igame, uthe bebange-expect-anga ukuluza against i-TS Galaxy, but-ke kwenzekile khona igame abaziridime ngayo bakwazi ukubuya kuma-winning ways, and kusho ukuthi vele ukushaya i-Orlando Pirates into ebaluleke kakhulu, cause i-Orlando Pirates beyibonakala i-untouchable, beyama-favorite heading to this game. Bekubonakala ngathi i-Orlando Pirates izoyiwina igame, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ibonisile ukuthi okay bane-team e-good. Even ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs ushilo laphana after igame ukuthi ubani uLithulunyana ushilo ukuthi baqala igame kahle kakhulu, beba-aggressive laphana phambili, they-manage ukuthi bakwazi ukuwathola amagoli. Ube namahloni-ke, angazi ukuthi why abe namahloni ukusho ukuthi lento ukuthi bekumele bashaye amagoli amaningi, cause uthe ubekafuna ukusho but azange aqedelela. I think out of i-respect because of ucoach naye we-Orlando Pirates bekhona laphana eduzane, but yeah, good game of football in spite of i-word ukuthi beyingabafavor abadlali, beyingekho right, but-ke bakwazile ukubonisa i-quality football. I think even the youngsters who were watching this game, they were inspired. Balulekile ukudlala iSoweto derby bafethu, whether nidlala ku-DDC team or nidlala kuphi, but iSoweto derby ibaluleke kakhulu because ama-bragging rights you have to show abantu enidlala nabo ukuthi sonithola even noma sesipromothiwe ukuthi ba-ready abafana even ukuphakamisa izandla zabo. And ikhona into eshiwo ubani mani, uKaizer Motaung Junior, uthe khona before bapromote ama-player laphana beza kubo, wababuza ukuthi ngicela abafuna ukuya ku-first team baphakamise izandla, ukuthi bonke abafana baphakamise izandla. Kusho ukuthi abafana they really wanna fight for i-Kaizer Chiefs, fight for the badge. They understand the history and the culture. Ukudlala laphana kuma-youth level ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-important kakhulu because you are able to grasp what Kaizer Chiefs is and what Kaizer Chiefs is not, and ama-expectations la ukuthi angakanani noma njani. That is why I was super disappointed ukubona uSifiso Timba bafethu reactor the way reacting ngakhona. That is not a way of i-Kaizer Chiefs, and that's not a way of ukurepresenta ibheji the way alirepresente ngakhona namhlanje, but-ke a win for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu.